One more problem. An amplifier has an voltage gain of 100. So when they just mention voltage gain with feedback of 100, so it is AF, it is not A. They have given with feedback of 100. If the gain without feedback changes by 20% and the gain with feedback change should not vary by 2%, they are asking you to find A and beta. So they have given the variation of AF and A. So dAF by AF is 2%, 0.02. dA by A is 20%, which is 0.2. They have given both. They are asking you to find the value of A and beta. So the formula, dAF by AF equal to dA by A into 1 by 1 plus A beta. dAF by AF is 0.02 given here. dA by A is 0.2, which is given here, into 1 by 1 plus A beta. So from this, cross multiply and find what is 1 by 1 plus A beta. So 1 by 1 plus A beta is going to be 10. I want to find A and beta. So how can we do? We have our usual formula, the formula for AF. AF equal to A by 1 plus A beta. So in that, I will substitute what is 1 plus A beta. 1 plus A beta is 10. And AF, it is 100. So 100 equal to A by 10, or A is equal to 1000. So the value of gain without feedback is 1000. And 1 plus A beta is 10. So A beta should be 9. So beta should be 9 by A. A is 1000. So beta should be 9 by 1000, or 0.009. Sometimes we have the habit of expressing beta in terms of percentage. So you have to multiply by 100%, and you can write the beta in terms of percentage. So here beta in terms of percentage, if you write how much percentage you will get, beta is going to be 0.9 percentage. So what you get is 0.009 is terms of number. When you multiply by 100, it becomes 0.9 percentage. So the feedback factor is 0.9